If you missed the old Discord look, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to make Discord look more classic again, what you can change inside the app, and what the real limitations are so you know exactly what to expect. This is a quick and simple tutorial, and if it helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful Discord tips and tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, open Discord in your web browser. You can go to Discord Web and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Discord, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open user settings. This is where all of Discord's appearance options are located. After the settings menu opens, find and click Appearance. This section controls how Discord looks on your screen, including the theme and visual style. If your goal is to get a more old school Discord feel, the first thing you want to do is switch the theme to dark. Dark mode usually gives Discord a more familiar, classic look compared to brighter or more colorful themes. If you want, you can also try other classic looking options, but dark is usually the closest and cleanest choice for that older Discord vibe. Next, look for the app icon option. If Discord gives you the option to switch to a default or classic icon, choose that as well. Small visual changes like this can help the app feel a little more traditional and less like the newer version of Discord. It won't completely transform everything, but it does make a difference if you're aiming for a more nostalgic look. Now here's the important part. I want to be honest with you, you cannot fully restore the real old Discord layout anymore through the normal web version. Discord removed the older UI layouts, the compact legacy designs, and some of the old spacing and display settings from the current version. So while you can make Discord look closer to the old style, you can't bring back the exact original layout using official settings alone. That means if you were hoping to get the full old Discord interface back, the built-in options are limited. The official web version mainly lets you adjust themes and appearance settings, not fully revert the platform to its older design. Some unofficial mods on the desktop app can partially restore older looks, but those are not official and they may come with risks, compatibility issues, or account safety concerns. So if you want to stay safe, it's best to use only the official settings available in Discord. So to recap, the safest way to get the old Discord look is to open Discord Web, go into user settings, open appearance, switch to dark or another classic looking theme, and choose the classic app icon if it's available. That gives you the closest official version of the older Discord feel without using third-party tools. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Discord guides, app tips, and easy how-to videos just like this. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing more Discord customization tricks to make your app look cleaner and more minimal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.